If you've been seeing the Plaud Note Pro all over your feed in 2025, marketed as a genius AI recorder that turns meetings, lectures, interviews, and even spontaneous conversations into perfectly structured notes, you're probably wondering whether this tiny device is truly a breakthrough or just another overpriced gadget riding the AI wave. The Plaud Note Pro promises to simplify your life by combining high-quality noise-isolating microphones with real-time transcription, automatic summaries, speaker detection, and cloud syncing that claims to save hours of manual note-taking. Using it is incredibly simple. Clip it to your shirt or place it on a table, tap to record, and let the onboard AI and its companion app convert speech into clean, readable text. On the positive side, the hardware actually feels premium. The mic quality is solid in quiet and mildly noisy environments. And the transcription accuracy is surprisingly good for everyday speech, making it ideal for students, journalists, creators, and anyone drowning in meetings. The app also generates decent summaries and action points, which can really help streamline workflow. But here's where things get complicated. While the device works well, much of its magic actually depends on the subscription-based AI service rather than the hardware itself. Without the higher-tier plans, features like advanced summaries, multi-speaker labeling, long-form transcription, and cloud storage become limited, making the device feel far less capable. Some users also report delays in syncing, occasional transcription errors with accents, and lower accuracy in loud environments. Another concern is value. The device costs significantly more than simply using a high-quality smartphone recorder paired with existing AI note-taking apps that already offer similar or better features. In other words, the Plaud Note Pro isn't the only way to achieve this workflow. It's just the most packaged and portable option. Compared with established AI transcription services, the Plaud Note Pro stands out for convenience, but not necessarily for raw capability. My final verdict: the Plaud Note Pro is not a gimmick, but it is priced for convenience rather than innovation. It works well, it's reliable, and it genuinely helps reduce mental load. But buyers expecting groundbreaking performance may feel the subscription model and premium price hold it back. If you want honest, no-nonsense tech reviews that help you spend smarter, make sure to subscribe.